Welcome to the Jamoji app How to Use tutorial video, featuring 300 unique emoji stickers that cover various aspects of Jamaican life and culture. These Jamojis are both cute and fun, allowing users to express their emotion and ideas more vividly during chats, not to mention experiencing Jamaica like a local. Jamoji is available in the App Store for iOS devices and Google Play for Android devices. Type in Jamoji in the store's search bar and tap the download button. After downloading and opening the Jamoji app, you'll need to add it to your phone's keyboard. For iOS devices, go to Settings, select General, tap on Keyboard, choose Add New Keyboard and select Jamoji Keyboard to install. For Android devices, the process is similar with slight variation. You can also follow along with the instructions provided in each operating system's guide. Once installed, allow full access in the settings to enjoy the Jamoji app. Now you can use Jamoji. Simply select your preferred image from the keyboard and then add to your preferred chat via the app extension. To access the latest Jamoji stickers, it's recommended to regularly update the Jamoji app. This ensures optimal performance and keep you up to date with the newest Jamoji offering. That concludes today's Jamoji tutorial video. We hope you enjoyed Jamoji. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below or via the Contact Us page on the Jamoji website, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Follow Jamoji on social media, as well as visiting our official website at www.jamojiapp.com for more information and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.